It's like a switch when I turn it on.
Predator ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
There you go. Keep breathing, keep breathing.
You've done this before.
CrossFit game is strong. Go, go, go. You got this. Smoking this course. I think he's done this before.
Is there a rookie award for the person that's never done it before? I'm just kidding.
That's interesting.
I mean, do you want participation?
No.
No.
Everybody wins.
Own it.
Time! Holy smoke.
46 seconds.
46.
Great job, great job.
Hold on a second. I was gonna do it. Can you say it for me again?
46-19. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
I can try. You can? Yeah.
46-19. 46-19. Even? Yeah, it's 46.19.
What's the time? This will be untimed.
46.19.
We'll show you.
Go, Kyle.
This will be untimed. This is just to do it.
Well,
That's another thing. It's technique of pulling line.
you're still a rookie.
No, I'm not gonna beat it. It's not fair.
Okay.